Did you know the VR art market is projected to grow by over 30% annually? Imagine stepping into a painting or sculpting in midair. Could VR revolutionize how we create and experience art? Virtual reality is no longer just for gaming. It's reshaping industries, including the art world. From interactive exhibitions to creating limitless digital masterpieces, VR offers a canvas beyond imagination. But what does this mean for the future of art? For centuries, art has been rooted in traditional mediums, paint, clay, and physical galleries. But as technology advances, artists face a critical question. How do you adapt age-old practices to this new digital frontier? VR offers incredible potential for immersive creativity, yet it presents challenges, costs, accessibility, and the fear of losing the soul of traditional art. Despite these hurdles, many artists and institutions are embracing VR with groundbreaking results. Imagine walking through an exhibition where each step brings you into a new world, or sculpting in a limitless 3D space. Artists like Examples are redefining engagement, creating experiences that blur the line between viewer and creator. The pivotal moment came when insert key event or breakthrough, e.g., a renowned museum hosted its first fully virtual exhibit, or a famous artist transitioned to VR. It showed us the true potential of this technology, not just as a tool, but as a medium in its own right, capable of revolutionizing how art is made and experienced. VR has the power to reshape the art world, offering opportunities for boundless creativity and unprecedented viewer interaction. But it also raises important questions about the value of traditional practices and the future of artistic expression. What do you think? Is VR the next big step in art or just a passing trend? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to check out our next video exploring related topic. The future of art is in your hands. Let me know if you'd like to adjust the tone or focus on specific points.